Hi guys, welcome back to Manifest with Armine. My name is Armine and I am a law of attraction consultant. I just made this video thinking I had pressed record, but I think I had not. Apparently I had not. Okay, so for a moment, let's clear the board about what you saw faith as and what you saw doubt as. Now, whatever I say in my videos, you can totally say, I know that. And I've also said many times, I know that. But does it really matter if you're thinking, I know that, because you don't really know something unless you use it. Not only using it once, but over and over again. Because are you applying these things, or are you just here watching YouTube videos? Which is okay. It's okay to watch videos. I've watched videos and videos, and I know how it feels to keep watching videos over and over just because it's, wow, it's just amazing stuff, and this is just so interesting. And what happens? You just watch it and you watch, I just want to watch one more video. I just want to watch one more video, and then I'll apply it, right? And then I'll apply what I learned. But what happens is if you don't stop the video and just actually apply in that moment, then you don't really know it. You have heard it, but do you use it? Do you use it? Are you applying it? Or are you just seeing this as entertainment? So let's talk about faith and doubt. I think a lot of times what we tend to see is that faith is a force and doubt is a force. And we kind of see which one's going to win, right? We want this thing, but I have so much doubt. But then I need faith. But I have doubts, but I need to introduce faith. And I want you to have maybe a bit of a different approach to it. That will be very helpful if you apply it like we just talked about. So the thing is, faith is always there. It's steady. Beneath all this crap that we create, to make things difficult for us, faith is always there. We have faith in our well-being. We have faith in our good. And we are good. We are at ease underneath it all. So when we are doubting, it's not that we need to have more faith. It's that we need to just let the doubt dissolve. Just let the doubt dissolve. Because what does Neville Goddard say? He says, faith is the absence of doubt. And if you have quieted yourself in certain moments, and you have thought about this, and you have felt through this, then you will already know this. And I welcome you to do that right now, because faith is not a force that you have to use to overpower doubt. You don't kill doubt with faith. You can see it that way, and you can struggle through it that way, and you may eventually prevail. Faith may eventually prevail, but it's not the most efficient, most fun way to go about it, okay? Doubt is not necessary. Doubt has no power over you unless you fear the doubt and unless you feel bad about the doubt. So first of all, allow the doubt, okay? Because once you allow something, it really has no power over you. It has no power over your good. So just allow the doubt and know that doubt was created by our human mind because we thought it's going to protect us in some way. And in some ways it does protect ourselves. Who knows? We don't have to understand all of that. But allow the doubt and say, hey, doubt, you want to come in this situation? You want to be involved here? Okay. Welcome. Come do what you want to do. And then just let it be. And be okay with that. Actually be okay with that. Not to see what's going to happen, but just like let it go. In this topic that you are desiring something, be like, you know what, doubt, you want to be here so much? Go ahead, be here. And then go on your merry way and don't think about it for a little bit, okay? Don't think about it for a little bit because it's not your business. Do your other things. You should have other responsibilities. You should be doing other things in your life. Do it. And then a little bit later, when it comes to your awareness, see how it feels. Eventually, you'll notice that the doubt has dissipated, minimized. It has it has started to feel less of a threat. Okay, So when the doubt loosens up, the faith naturally surfaces. And that's a beautiful moment, because that's when you realize that manifesting anything it's about ease. You don't have to make faith into this big, powerful, strong thing, because it already is as its nature. Like, that's the nature of faith. It's powerful, but it's not powerful in the way that we think as human beings, in a physical sense of like, we have to overpower everything with this strong faith. Faith is strong. And what is its strength? In just being, in ease. Faith is easy, okay? It's doubt that's uncomfortable. And how do you get rid of doubt? You just let it be. You let it be. Because if you don't have a problem with doubt, then doubt will not fight against you, okay? That's what I'm here to say today. That faith is the absence of doubt, like Neville Goddard says. Don't look for faith. Stop looking for ways to have faith in your desire that it will manifest, because you already know your being, your true being, your underneath everything, knows what faith is, and it has faith in all that is good for you. Don't think about how to have faith in something. Don't say, I can't figure out how to have faith in this thing. I just don't believe it's going to happen. It's not your business to be finding faith, because faith is already there. It's always there. It's always there. It's always there. It will never, ever fail you. So if you want to have faith in something, if you want to feel the faith for something, and you don't want to feel the doubt, what you do is you allow them both. Because by allowing something that you don't want, you disempower it. And by allowing something that you do want, you empower it. You allow it to shine. So stop worrying. Stop taking things so seriously. As serious as the topic at hand is for you and how big of a deal it is nothing for the universe. It is easy for the universe. Just let the doubt run its course. And as soon as you allow it to do that, it will go away so quickly. And you will feel the faith super quick. Okay? Thanks, guys. If you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to subscribe, please do so. Thanks. Bye.